Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find your connected apps on your Twitter app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Twitter app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and all you have to do now, so you just go down, you click here on settings and supports, then it's going to show for you this, and you click here on settings and privacy, then you come to this window here, just click here on your so you click here, sorry, on security and account access here, then you click here on apps and seasons here, then you come to this window, just switch into open video, so you just switch into go to open video, click here on connected apps, and here you will find all the apps connected with your app here. So that's all you have to do to find this window. Just follow this ways. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.